Success leaves clues, and one of the greatest clues hidden in plain sight is confidence. Not the loud, attention-seeking kind that demands applause, but the quiet confidence that remains steady when no one is watching. Every successful person eventually discovers that confidence is not a gift handed out at birth. It is a skill developed through daily choices, repeated actions, and disciplined thinking, inspired by the timeless principles taught by Dr. Joseph Murphy. This message invites you to look beyond the surface of achievement and uncover the mental habits that separate extraordinary people from those who continue doubting themselves. The confidence code is not a secret locked away for a fortunate few. It is available to anyone willing to train the mind, challenge limiting beliefs, and commit to personal growth every single day. Imagine waking up each morning without the heavy burden of wondering whether you are good enough. Imagine walking into every opportunity with the quiet certainty that you can learn, adapt, and overcome whatever stands before you. That level of confidence does not appear overnight. It grows one decision at a time. It begins the moment you stop asking for permission to believe in yourself. Too many people spend years waiting for the perfect circumstances before they take action. They believe confidence comes first and success follows. In reality, the opposite is often true. Action creates confidence, and confidence creates greater action. Every small victory strengthens your belief in what is possible. Every challenge you face without giving up teaches your subconscious mind that you are stronger than you once believed. According to the philosophy inspired by Dr. Joseph Murphy, the subconscious mind faithfully accepts the thoughts you repeatedly impress upon it. If you constantly tell yourself that you are incapable, unworthy, or destined to fail, your mind begins working to make those beliefs your reality. However, when you consistently replace doubt with empowering thoughts, your subconscious starts building a new foundation for your future. This is why successful people guard their thinking so carefully. They understand that every thought is like planting a seed. Healthy seeds eventually produce healthy fruit, while negative seeds create unnecessary obstacles. Confidence is built from what you repeatedly think, say, and do. It is strengthened every time you keep a promise to yourself, even a small one. It grows when you choose discipline instead of excuses, gratitude instead of complaints, and persistence instead of surrender. The world may judge you by your results, but your future is shaped by the conversations you have with yourself every day. Those private moments matter more than public recognition because they determine the direction of your life. If you are willing to master your inner dialogue, develop unwavering self-belief, and refuse to let fear define your decisions, you will begin unlocking a version of yourself that has been waiting patiently beneath years of uncertainty, ready to rise with purpose, courage, determination, resilience, and lasting confidence. The remarkable truth is that confidence is protected by habits, not by emotions. Feelings rise and fall with circumstances, but habits continue working even on the days when motivation disappears. This is why the most accomplished individuals never rely on inspiration alone. They create routines that strengthen their minds regardless of temporary setbacks. Inspired by the enduring wisdom of Dr. Joseph Murphy, you can begin building the same foundation by understanding that your subconscious mind responds to repetition more than intensity. One positive thought repeated every day has greater power than one moment of excitement followed by weeks of doubt. Every morning presents an opportunity to impress new beliefs upon your mind before fear has a chance to take control. Instead of beginning the day by focusing on problems, choose to focus on possibilities. Replace thoughts of limitation with thoughts of growth. Tell yourself that every challenge carries a lesson, every obstacle contains an opportunity, and every setback is preparing you for greater strength. These statements are not empty affirmations when they are supported by consistent action. They become instructions that gradually reshape your subconscious expectations. Once your mind begins expecting success instead of failure, your behavior naturally starts changing. You begin noticing opportunities you once ignored. You become willing to speak when you would have remained silent. You volunteer for responsibilities that previously seemed intimidating. The world appears different because your perception has changed from within. Many people mistakenly believe successful individuals never experience fear. The reality is that they simply refuse to let fear make their decisions. Courage is not the absence of uncertainty. Courage is choosing to move forward despite uncertainty. Every confident person has faced rejection, criticism, disappointment, and unexpected failure. The difference is that they never allowed those experiences to become permanent definitions of who they were. Instead, they treated every disappointment as temporary feedback instead of a final verdict. This mindset creates emotional resilience that cannot easily be shaken. Consider how often people replay negative memories while ignoring their victories. The subconscious mind remembers whatever receives the most attention. If you constantly replay moments of embarrassment or failure, those memories become stronger, making hesitation feel natural. However, when you intentionally remember your accomplishments, celebrate progress, and acknowledge personal growth, you train your subconscious to recognize evidence of your capability instead of your weakness. This simple shift gradually changes your self-image, and your self-image influences nearly every decision you make. According to principles inspired by Dr. Joseph Murphy, changing your outer world always begins by transforming your inner beliefs. Your circumstances may not change overnight, but your response to them certainly can. Confidence grows stronger every time you choose faith over fear, discipline over comfort, and persistence over quitting. It is built in ordinary moments that most people overlook, such as keeping your word, finishing difficult tasks, learning from mistakes, speaking kindly to yourself, and refusing to surrender after temporary defeat. These daily victories may seem small, but together they create an unbreakable identity. Eventually, confidence is no longer something you try to display. It becomes part of who you are, allowing you to face life's greatest opportunities with calm determination, unwavering purpose, quiet strength, and an unshakable belief that your best chapters are still waiting to be written. When you finally understand the confidence code, you realize it was never about becoming someone else. It was always about becoming the person you were created to be before fear, criticism, failure, and self-doubt convince you to settle for less. The greatest transformation begins the moment you stop measuring your worth against the opinions of others and start measuring your progress against the person you were yesterday. Inspired by the timeless teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy, you have the power to direct your subconscious mind toward a future filled with purpose, courage, and abundance. Every thought you choose today becomes part of the foundation you will stand upon tomorrow. Every encouraging word you speak to yourself strengthens the beliefs that guide your actions. Every disciplined decision, no matter how small it seems, moves you one step closer to becoming the confident individual you have always imagined. Success is rarely created by one dramatic breakthrough. More often, it is the result of countless ordinary moments where someone chooses consistency instead of convenience. The world celebrates the finished masterpiece, but very few people appreciate the quiet dedication required to create it. Behind every confident person are hundreds of invisible victories that no audience ever witnessed. They chose to continue after disappointment. They chose to learn instead of complain. They accepted responsibility instead of making excuses. They understood that setbacks were temporary, but quitting could become permanent if they allowed it. You possess the same ability to make those choices starting today. Your past does not have the authority to decide your future unless you continually give it permission. No mistake is powerful enough to erase your potential. No failure is final unless you stop growing from it. The Confidence Code teaches that every new day offers another opportunity to rewrite the story you tell yourself. Replace the words, "I cannot," with "I am learning." Replace, "I always fail," with "every experience makes me stronger." Replace fear with faith, hesitation with action, and doubt with determination. As these new thoughts become familiar, your subconscious mind begins accepting them as truth, and your behavior naturally follows. You stop shrinking from opportunities because you no longer see yourself as someone who must hide. Instead, you begin recognizing that every challenge is an invitation to grow beyond your current limitations. The remarkable thing about confidence is that it inspires more than personal success. It influences every relationship, every conversation, every decision, and every dream you pursue. Your confidence gives other people permission to believe in themselves as well. Your courage becomes an example that encourages others to keep moving forward when they feel like giving up. This is how one transformed life creates a ripple effect that reaches countless others. Never underestimate the impact of choosing hope over fear and belief over uncertainty. The future belongs to those who prepare their minds before opportunities arrive. Begin today by protecting your thoughts, strengthening your habits, and trusting the incredible potential placed within you. Continue feeding your subconscious mind with truth, gratitude, purpose, and unwavering belief, and you will discover that the confidence successful people never break is not a mysterious secret reserved for a select few. It is a lifelong commitment to thinking wisely, acting consistently, growing continuously, and believing without compromise that your greatest achievements are still ahead of you. If this message inspired you, remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another motivational journey inspired by the timeless wisdom of Dr. Joseph Murphy.